I've got a deal right now where wholesaler comes to us here local in Arizona. They need $2,500 in earnest money. I'm charging them $2,500, so I'll double that money, right? And then on top of that, guess what? They don't have. What? They don't have a buyer. Yeah. So who's the buyer?
Could be somebody in your network. Could be you. Could be.
It's me. I'm the buyer. What I did is I said, hey, if I bring the buyer to the table, can I get a portion of your assignment fee? So I essentially cut down my own assignment fee in half, and I got paid $2,500 for the earnest money, and I ended up being the buyer on a fix and flip.
You're such an evil genius.
I am an evil genius.
That's amazing.
So if you don't understand the exit strategy, you're missing what the value is here. And somebody in 5 minutes will go, well, I haven't gotten my $1,000 from PCS yet. And then somebody will follow up and say, it's not $1,000 Pace, it's $1,950. Oh my gosh. I just gave you $1 million nugget, $1 million nugget. Insane, insane what you can do.